Have you ever felt like your heart is too heavy to smile? Like the world is moving, but you are stuck in silence? Listen carefully, because Allah sent this video just for you. He wants you to feel peace, joy, and hope again. Life is not easy. Sometimes problems feel bigger than you. You lose hope, feel tired, and think happiness is far away. But Allah is closer than you think. He is watching every tear you cry, every prayer you whisper, every moment you feel alone. You are never forgotten. Look around you. The sunlight, the air you breathe, a simple smile from someone. These are signs of Allah's love. He is sending small moments of happiness to remind you that life is still beautiful. You just have to notice them. You may feel guilty for mistakes, like you do not deserve happiness. But Allah sees your heart, not just your actions. He knows your struggles. Every effort you make, no matter how small, is valuable. Happiness begins when you trust Him and let go of worry. Think of one thing you love. One small thing that makes your heart light up. That feeling is a gift from Allah. He sent this moment, this video, to remind you that happiness is already with you. You only need to see it. Happiness does not come from other people or big achievements. It comes from inside. A small prayer, a smile, a thankful heart, these bring real joy. Every breath you take is a message. Allah is with you, and He wants you to be happy. No matter how hard life feels, trust Allah's plan. Every difficulty teaches patience. Every trial builds strength. Every silence brings peace. Happiness grows in hearts that believe, that wait, and that trust. Today, your heart can feel that joy. Accept it and hold it close. If this message touched your heart, like, share and subscribe. Let this video remind you every day, Allah is sending happiness your way, and it starts the moment you open your heart.